Hello YouTube friends and welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you the unboxing first look of a new company that I got a knife from. The company Sencut was introduced in 2020. It is a brand under the Civivi group. So therefore, the packaging, the quality will be the same as the products from Civivi. This is a, let's say, even better budget-oriented value line from the same manufacturer. So this is the model Scepter. The model number is SA03D. Just for comparison, I have here also a Civivi box, so it looks like they have the same dimensions. A sticker on the side with the information of the knife. Similar design stickers on the same spot right there. So this is through and through the same quality that I expect from Civivi. And let's see the knife itself. So it also comes in a pouch, which the Civivi knives comes has a little bit different design. It's a little bit smaller, but overall the same quality. The felt lining, and we have the knife. They will also give you a really nice generous microfiber cloth and some literature for the warranty. So back in 2020, when these were released, they were not available in Europe. They were mainly sold in the United States. So it took a little while since some European distributors got them, and finally I can get my hands on one of these. So don't quote me on that, but probably this was the first model and they released, the Scepter, and it is what I would say a really nice slimmer design of the Civivi Elementum. I will show you the comparisons in the later part of this video, but first let me give you the specifications. So we have a overall length of 17.5 centimeters, that is 6.9 inches. The blade is 7.6 centimeters or 3 inch long with a cutting edge of 7 centimeters, this is 2.7 inches. So if you have restrictions on 3-inch blade, this is the cutting edge is under 3 inches. The blade width is 2.1 centimeters or 0.8 inches, with a thickness of 3 millimeters, 0.12 inches. The handle is 10 centimeters long or 4 inches, with a thickness of 1.1 centimeter or 0.4 inches, that is without the pocket clip. The materials used on this one, we have a budget-oriented steel, so there is a 9CR18 MOV, which is one of the most used Chinese steels out there. It is semi-stainless, so please keep that in mind. Has a really nice stonewash finish, which I really love to see on such a budget knife, because most knives from Civivi have a satin finish, and that can really get some print and smudging and so on. So for EDC, everyday carry, the stonewash is a better option all around. We have a flat ground with a nice drop point profile. You can open it via the thumb studs or the flipper. The handle is made out of what I will call the standard canvas micarta from Civivi, or Civivi micarta. Liners are stainless steel with a nice deep skeletonization profile, so it will save on weight. We have a Linerlock construction, nice and sturdy, no blade play whatsoever. The pivot assembly, it rides on ceramic caged ball bearing washers, so nice and smooth, of course, like you can expect from also from Civivi. We have a nice gray stone-washed deep carry pocket clip with flush screws, and also skeletonized for weight reduction. And it's also you can mount it on the opposite side, so left carry users will be happy with this one. We have open or standoff construction. Let's see the sharpness out of the box, but I expect they should be, yeah, really nice and sharp. Let me show you the pocket profile. I forgot to mention that the pocket clip has a really a medium stiffness, so like I expected, there should be no problem with putting it inside your pocket. And let me show you, this is how much it will stick out. So this is a true deep carry and nothing is sticking out. So if you have concerns with the knife showing, then this is a good option for you. Okay, like I mentioned, for me personally, now I forgot to mention the weight. So the weight is 69.6 grams or 2.4 ounces. So really nice and lightweight in my opinion. Okay, so like I mentioned, for me this is a reiteration or redesign of the Civivi Elementum, and here is it next to it. So as you can see there, it is the Civivi Elementum is a little bit larger, but not that much. One more thing that I forgot to mention is that on the blade we have the Sencut logo, and on the other side there should be the blade steel. Let me zoom in. Yeah, 9CR13 MOE. So as with the Civivi, they are putting no branding on the blade, only there is on the incorporated in the pivot screw right there. So as you can see, the scepter is a little bit thinner, so if you choose to have something even thinner and lighter than the Civivi Elementum, then you can go with the scepter, of course. Has similar drop point profile blade, but overall thinner. Okay, let's see some other knives. So I have here also the QSP Penguin. From Bestech, here is the latest model, the Syntax. Price wise, I forgot to mention, you are looking at around $42.25. That is if you are going to the website of Sencut. These may differ if you are buying from different resellers. Check your pricing right there. I will be putting some links in the description. If you like to check them out, you can go there. I'm not affiliated with those sites, so it is up to you. Now let's continue. Here is the rustic gent also from Civivi. Let's see the Pillar 1 from CRKT. Benchmade bug out. Mini feldspar from CJRB. The Petrified Fish 949X. see, here is the small reptilian from Benchmade, red model 2, Bug Vintage Select Small, Kaiser Baglighter 2. Here is the Spyderco Delica, Kershaw Leak, $9.40 from Benchmade, Rough Rider Peanut, CRKT Pilar 3, Bug Sprint Pro, and let's close it down with the K-Bat Dozier Folding Hunter. Okay, so overall, if you ask me if it was the wait of 2 years, it was yeah, I would like to have this one a little bit sooner. Of course, I took some time to my reseller to get these here in Europe, and yeah, I could not like I mentioned, these were available only for the US market, so also on the website I could not order these to be delivered in the Europe. So I'm really happy that they're opening the market. I don't know what's going on with these restrictions. Maybe they wanted it just to serve the US market with this new value-oriented brand, but now they should be available through the resellers worldwide. And I'm really happy to see a really good looking, really nice budget oriented brand also from Civivi. Not that the Civivi is that expensive, but usually those knives cost more than $50 for around 70, and if you are calculating the price they come here in Europe, then you are usually paying around 68 to 90 euros for a piece. So given that these are half the price, yeah, definitely worth the money. And I would love to see more micarta. I have one more model that I would like to show, and stay tuned for that. But overall, I'm really happy with this new brand. So I will be trying to collect, if they make of course brown micarta variants. Forgot to mention that this one is available also in olive green, dark green micarta, black G10, also in blue G10. So you can pick and choose what color you are looking for. With that being said, I would like to wish you, would like to thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please leave comments down below. I'm more than happy to reply as soon as I can, of course. If you are a subscriber, thank you very much. A big thumbs up to you. And if you are not a subscriber, then please consider subscribing to not miss any future videos. I try to release at least 3 videos per week, mostly knife and gear oriented, but sometimes also the stuff regarding my other hobbies. With that being said, I wish you a wonderful day, and I'll see you soon. Have a nice day. Bye.